Okay, we're recording. Welcome to the libp2p. What is today's date? August 5th, or 6th, depending on where you are, of 2019. And let's start with just running through the updates in the CryptPad. I'll start because I am the only one in there right now. I just came back from 2.5 weeks of vacation, so I don't have a lot to report as done. There's nothing I'm blocked on. Most of my next things are kind of internal to Protocol Labs. They're not really like appropriate for this call. I gave, it's just a sort of kind of administrative stuff. The next thing is a libp2p presentation for the Web3 summit. That's high on my list. I think the people who are going to attend the presentation this year are likely to be, like last year we were kind of introducing it to that crowd and it was a new conference and we didn't know exactly who was going to come. This year I think it's much more likely to be like really high or higher context people who have a little more familiarity. So I'm going to try to give them a good update on like where different things stand and where the project could use help and that kind of thing. So and then we're also a big participant in ETH Berlin 2, which is the weekend after Web3 at the end of this month. So there's some stuff to do there. Blog posts, creating bounty projects, things like this. So I'll be doing some work on that. And that's what I've got coming up. Okay, all right, Martin, do you want to go? You have an update now.
Sure. So I attended the IETF meeting in Montreal 2 weeks ago, I think. It was a really productive meeting. We started with the interop session, and that's where I pitched the quick network simulator that I've been working on to a lot of other people. And they built Docker images of their implementations and ran it across the simulator. So it's now finally working. People are using it, and I've been using it as well for a quick go and discovered some bugs. So this was it was a lot of work to get it running, but it's now finally paying off. I also published a quick Go update recently that incorporates a lot of changes. Among others, it updates quick Go to use the draft 22. I also bubbled up that change to the Go libp2p quick transport, where I also fixed a bunch of issues that have been open for had been open for way too long anyway.
Okay, can I just ask, how would you rate its production readiness, the transport, like right now? Like, do you think it's production ready or 50% or?
There's one PR that I still want to merge. Stephen already reviewed it, but I think I need to address some of the comments. But then I think it should be fine.
Okay, thanks. Stephen, anything?
I had a discussion with Stephen about how we roll out quick, especially since the versions are still changing when the IETF publishes new drafts, and what we do about backwards compatibility. It's not, we haven't reached a conclusion yet, so we probably need to continue this discussion probably in some issue would be the best way.
Okay, cool. Stephen, did you want to add anything, or are you just here to chat?
I had nothing new, I guess. Yeah, I still need to write I guess an RFC for the peer ID change, but I haven't gotten around to it.
Okay. I had wanted to ask, while the two of you are together, about multi-stream select 2, and just like what's going on with that. Maybe nothing has changed since last time, but I just thought I should ask.
1 sec, my computer is freaking the fuck out.
Yeah, sure. Take your time.
Oh, okay, fine. It's working well enough. Yeah, I mean, Martin was working on it. Actually, Martin will have more of an update. We talked about it together a lot. Martin? Martin?
I didn't hear what you were saying.
Sorry. Do you have any updates on the multi-stream spec?
Yes, we'll soon publish a document with the requirements. I'm waiting on Raul for review before posting it.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. My only concern with we'll talk when we actually get to the spec. Then we have concrete things to discuss and trade-offs. But I'm happy with a lot of the direction it went, except for the lack of use of multi-codecs and use of protobufs. But that's for other reasons that were probably mostly aesthetic, and we can discuss all the actual spec with you.
Okay, that makes sense. Yeah, I was just curious roughly where it was. Yeah. Okay. Any other topics we should discuss? I'll mention John Heisey was a frequent attendee of this call, and I just thought I should mention he's going to be leaving the project to pursue other stuff. So I don't expect him to. I mean, it's a public call; anyone's welcome, but I don't expect him to be attending it in the future. So just FYI.
Okay. Any other?
That's all I've got. Anything else from you, Martin?
Not really.
Okay, fair enough. All right, let's call it a day. And I'll post this as a PR, per the usual protocol, and I'll put the video up as well. So. All right, bye everyone.
See y'all.
Yep, bye.